Hi, have you ever thought of having a website in your name? My name is Deepak. Let's say I want to have a website like deepak.com and I want to have an email address like deepak@deepak.com. It sounds cool, isn't it? So you might think that this is something that's going to make you invest some money for this, but today I'm going to show you how to get this done in no time, free of cost. So let's get started. The first thing that you would want to do is go to my website, mytidbit.net, and you will find a perks page. Go to my perks page, and at the left side top corner you will find a green tab. Click on it and it will take you to a page where you will find a download link. Click on that, where you will get an installer which is of 932 KB. Get it downloaded and install it in your system. It's a browser application. Okay. Yeah, do you want to have your registered domains linked to your email address? Okay, yes. So here I'm going to create new account. So my email address will be mytidbit.net@gmail.com. So you need to give the same password that you give for your account. Same password that you use to log into your email address. Sign up. Yeah, your account has been successfully created. We have sent an email with your credentials to mytidbit.net@gmail.com. So later if you forget your password or anything, then you could go ahead and check in your email address. The next thing that you want to do is go to Google and download FileZilla. FileZilla is an FTP client. So we'll talk about this later in our video tutorial. This is a freeware. You can get this downloaded from any links here. So I'm going to download this and show you how to get it installed. It's easy. So you can see here, download FileZilla client, all platforms, Windows only. You can do anything you want and you can get this downloaded. It's a free FTP client. So after you get this downloaded, you will have it installed in your system. So I already have it installed. Let me show you how it is. So this is something with which we are going to upload things into your website that we are going to create in seconds now. So the next thing that we have to do is create a website. Just a web page. A normal web page will do. I made a simple one using HTML. I assume that you have a simple knowledge of HTML. If you don't know how to create a website, or if you don't know HTML, you can go to W3 Schools, www.w3schools.com. This is a website which is very apt for learning web designing. If you don't know anything about web designing, or if you want to become an expert, you can go to this website and you can learn JavaScript, HTML, VBScript, Ajax, CSS, everything you want. So you can go for learn HTML. You will find everything free. All the resources available here are very effective and it's very nice for learning, for beginners actually. So okay, I'll close this tab and I have a simple HTML design. As you see here, HTML tab open, head is this is a sample and the title is mytidbit, and the body BG color, background color is black, and I have a heading font color of green, a marquee text of hi, this is mytidbit, and I'm closing the head tag, body tag, HTML, etc. That's it. So I'll open this and show you how this is. So this is not through internet. This is there statically in my desktop. So this is how my website is going to be, and I'm going to upload and host this website free of cost now using my desired name. Okay, the third thing is go to www.freewebhost.com, free-webhosts.com. So this is a website which will provide the list of free web hosting service providers. As you see here, left side, it's having a list of free web hosting service providers. Click on that and you will find a huge list of service providers which provides web hosting for free. So I'm going to select 001 webs because I already tried with this. The rest of the things will take 48 hours to get activated. So this is the only thing, or maybe some other thing which I haven't checked, will activate spontaneously. So if you create an account, your account gets activated immediately. So the website name is www.001webs.com. I'm going to click on that. So I already have an account. If you don't have, to sign up, you need to click on this join now button, and you'll be asked to enter your credentials like username, password, confirm password, email, terms of service. Check on this terms of service. And how did you find this? Google, and enter this captcha image and click submit. As soon as you click this submit button, you will receive an email in about 2 or 3 minutes, and you have to activate the link in your email. So after you activate, your account is active and you can go ahead and do anything you want. So now I'm already having an account, and I'm going to show you what we are going to do with this. So after you activate your account from your email, username, user login and password. My user login is Chris D. Go. So my account is in activated state, and it will be saying that you have been logged in correctly. You will be now redirected to the index page. So as soon as the index page appears, the thing that you have to note is here, host and login, FTP connection information, chrisd.001webs.com, and the login is chrisd. That's it. Make a note of it, and I'll copy this host. Okay, anyway, I had to type it. And open your FileZilla which you install on your system. I hope so you would have got installed on your system. I'm going to type this FTP information, chrisd.001, and I'll see webs.com, right? Yep, .com. So username is as given here, chrisd. Password is something that you gave previously to log in, and the port number is 21. It's always 21. It's actually the number for FTP, port number for FTP. So yes, connection is successful. We are now connected to the server. So after you are connected to the server, we have a sample HTML page in our desktop, right? So I'm going to click desktop, and at the left side, see this in this tab. Above this tab we have desktop selected, and all the files that is there in the desktop is displayed in this space area. And navigate to the place where you will find that here, index.html. So before that, what we have to do is we have to make sure we are in the public.html page. Okay, so right click on this index.html, and you will find an option called upload. I'm going to click upload. So the thing that I have to tell you very importantly is, when you create a sample page, it should always be named as index.html, because then only the FTP can detect, the server can detect your web page to be an index page, I mean the first page to be displayed for your website. So later when you create any other pages, you can upload with any name you want. So that's all, our work is over. Now I'm going to check my website. So www.chrisd.001webs.com. Here we have a website. Hi, this is my tidbit. The one which we previously saw in our desktop is there in the internet now. We haven't paid anything, but anyway, the link is chrisd.001webs.com. But I was telling you previously that I'm going to create a website in my name like deepak.com. So I'll tell you how to get this done. So after you're done with this to this extent, the final thing that you have to do is go to www.dot.tk. So you already have an account. So you have to enter the URL here, like www.chrisd.001webs.com, which you previously created. So I hope so. I already have it. So I'm not going to. It will be saying that this web address will be renamed to. Okay, .tk automatically selected the domain name below. Subject to availability. Okay, whatever. So here, as you see in this tab, you are finding an option with .tk extension. So now you can give any name you want, and I'm going to give Deepak with double K. So now type the captcha image verification, GFVOGLF. Next, free domain. So your website URL is this. That's it. We don't have to do anything in this other than mentioning your email. I'm going to mention my email again, my tidbit gmail.com. Next. So your email and the password, log into your my.tk account. So as you see, the first thing that we did was going to my website and registering your account in .tk. This tab you clicked and you created an account, right? So you downloaded this installer and you created your account by mentioning your email address and password. The same password you need to give here. So your domain name has been successfully added to my.tk account. Log into your my.tk account. Okay, that's it. Now open a new tab and check your website, chrisd.tk. Oops, I think I made a mistake in this. What was that I gave the name? Yeah, Deepak, www.deepakk.tk. Enter, and I'll have my website here. So here we go. You have www.deepak.tk directed to your page. So now the final thing that we had to see is creating an email address like deepak@deepak.tk. So that's it. So you are logged into your account using in this .tk website. I'm going to click log into my account by mentioning the email address mytidbit.net@gmail.com. So after you log into this .tk website, you will find several options at the left side corner, and thing that you have to click is Malias, TK Malias, and TK Malias settings. So here it's asking for current virtual email address. So you can, I'm going to give Deepak, Deepak@deepak.tk. So this is going to point to, I'm going to give my email address mytidbit.net@gmail.com. This sounds a bit complicated, but this is so cool. You know what actually we are doing is Deepak@deepak.tk. Whomever sends, you can give this email address to anybody you want, and whomever sends this email to this email address will be, all the emails will be redirected to the Gmail account of yours. That's it. We are just redirecting the email to the email. I mean, having a virtual email address, you are just redirecting all your emails to the inbox of Gmail account. So I'm going to say create new, change successful. You can create how much ever you want. So that's the beauty of it. So that's it. We are done with almost everything. We're just going to check by sending an email to this address. But the thing is, it'll take at least 1 hour for this to get activated. You will receive a confirmation email to your account, and after you check your email account, mytidbit.net.com. After you receive the confirmation, you can go ahead and give your email address to your friends. If they send the email to Deepak@deepak.tk, that I will be receiving my emails to the inbox of mytidbit.net@gmail.com. It's so cool. In fact, you got your website created. You can do anything you want. You can learn HTML and you can design your pages. Like see now, www.deepakk.tk is taking me to the website which I designed. It's simple. There's nothing I did. It's not a big deal even. So I just got a virtual email address, and whomever sends email to that will be directed to my Gmail account, and I have my website too. I can go ahead and update my email address in my Facebook, and it's going to make me feel so cool about it. So that's it. This is all for now. In my next video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to register with Google and make your friends create an email address in your website. So please subscribe to my videos and post your comments and suggestions in my channel, and I hope you'll enjoy this video. If you have any queries, you can post your queries in my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.